There goes 43020 and 43093, which is leading the helm of the Royal Duchy, which is 1 hour 89, which is the 1434 Great Western Railway service from Penzance to London Paddington. So anyway, yes, hello guys, Trainspotting HD here, welcome to the latest video, and today I'm at Liskeard on the Cornish Mainline. Here will be seen services by Great Western Railway only. So also we'll be seeing services by the Loo branch over there as well, which we'll go investigate more in a minute. Here today with me is Cornwall TrainsFan and Southwest Trainspotting, which is just down there. Yeah, so Liskeard is a station I've never filmed at before. It looks like a fantastic station with fantastic views, as I've come up here to get a half decent view. Anyway, let's get started here at Liskeard. Okay, coming in now is to Papa 87, which is the 1514 Great Western Railway service from Penzance to Plymouth, 15261 coming back round. Which is actually pretty busy. Okay, let's see what's next. Okay, departing now to Papa 87, which is the 1514 Great Western Railway service from Penzance to Plymouth. And actually fantastic view going down there, heading towards St Germans, Saltash and Plymouth. Okay, see what's next.
Station, very easy. I do like that. It's 150.
It's 233.
233. No, 233. Yeah.
Okay, terminating now to 1531 arrival from Loo.
This is the unit on the
And it's not the toilet, if that's what you're thinking. Ow. 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 That's all I'm going to say. I'll leave it at that.
Right, there she is.
She's been on the Loo branch for a few days now, hasn't she?
It was on it yesterday. It was on the Loo branch yesterday. There's today apparently. There we go. So we will see what is next. We've got a London service coming. Let me connect with the service. Then we've got then we'll see. Just go back out.
Okay, we'll see this go out a bit later. Let's see what's next.
It was. It's a reflection. Okay, coming in here is 1536 Great Western Railway service to Penzance.
Okay, here we've got 43193 off to Penzance.
Okay, service just arriving now is 1 Charlie 82, which is the 1537. 1537 Great Western Railway service from London Paddington to Penzance, known as the Royal Duchy, which will be 193 on the front and 098 on the rear.
093 sounds there she is, terminating, not terminating.
Are you joking? Hey, passing through now. That's 66085 from St Blazey's signal box to Exeter Riverside. Also, there goes 1 Charlie 82. Oh, that is 6 Charlie 53, by the way, that freight. Yeah, anyway, it goes off 1 Charlie 82, which is the 1537 Great Western Railway service from London Paddington to Penzance, 43193 on the front and 098 on the rear.
Right, so
that freight has passed through about 10 minutes early, or just before 10 minutes early. So anyway, let's see what's next here at Liskeard.
At
085. Okay, just about to go out now. It's the 1541 Great Western Railway service starting here at Liskeard to Loo.
Working 5041 which is the new starting here, which curves round to your Michael Junction halt.
Yeah. It costs 125. Kieran, is it 125 through there, isn't it? Yeah.
It's 125 miles per hour for the junction halt.
Yeah, of course, yeah.
What was 140? Oh no, 140 for the javelins.
Yeah, of course, yeah.
High speed one.
Yeah, of course.
Next up, proceed to call out St. Keen's, Wishaw, Holt, Causeway, Sandplace and Loo. All of them are run by request, except for Loo, obviously.
Okay, let's see what's next. Okay, about to arrive in now is 1L492, which is in the name of the Atlantic Coast Express. 153-154, which has been the helm of the Atlantic Coast Express 1L492, which is the 1629 Great Western Railway service from Newquay to London Paddington. It's the 1506 off Newquay. Right, sorry guys, I'm just grabbing my bag. I'll just put it down because it's a bit heavy on my back and my camera. Okay, we'll see this when it goes out in a minute. Okay, pulling out now is 1L492 in the name of the Atlantic Coast Express, which is the 1629 Great Western Railway service to London Paddington from good old Newquay. Good old Newquay, obviously. Oh god. Nearly dropped it. Forty-three 154, 43 0, no 152. So that one now calls at Plymouth, Ivory Bridge, Totnes, Newton Abbot, Exeter St David's, Tiverton Parkway, Taunton, Castle Carey, Westbury, Pewsey, Newbury, Reading and London Paddington. Here is 150-120, hashtag shout to KTV videos, which detached from the KTV Express, which is terminated here from Newton Abbot. So I'm sure we'll see this do its movements in a minute. Let's see what's next. Oh, it's changing its destination board. Oh, it's going to Plymouth, okay. See what's next anyway. Okay, departing now is 150-120, which is doing a platform movement onto platform 2, which just terminated in from Newton Abbot, which will form the 1643 to Plymouth. Then I believe it goes to Gunners, there's a Gunners Liskeard, I believe, or does it come back down?
I think it goes back down. I think it comes back down here.
Plymouth, then Plymouth, Liskeard, then Liskeard, Gunners.
Oh, hang on, so that would have been my train.
Yeah, would be.
But I'm getting Penzance Exeter now because I want to see 1 Charlie 84. Because it's got a very special vinyl on it.
Should do anyway.
Well, it should do, because if it was on for 16 this morning.
That come back in a minute.
Alright, we'll see that come back in a sec. Okay, making a very quick turnaround. It is 150-120 coming back round. Hashtag the KTV Express. Well, it's detached from the KTV Express anyway.
Oh, Kira should hate it.
Oh yeah, KTV videos. Why don't you come to here? We'll have a nice little bash down to Liskeard and Bodmin, which you need to do again.
Okay, arriving here again, 120.
KTV videos, look at that number. It's such a nice number. Anyway, let's see what's next. Okay, coming back round now is 152-33, which will form the 16.12 Loo. And we'll see this go out in a minute. Okay, just about to go out now is the 1641 Great Western Railway starting here at Liskeard to Loo. Okay, let's see what's next. Cornwall TrainsFan's got a little babash to lose, so we'll probably see him a bit later. Okay, we're just up on the road bridge at the moment. Just coming now is 1 Alpha 94, which is the 1735 Great Western Railway service from Penzance to London Paddington. Not a named service, it's just a general service. We'll see that when we get down to the platform. Okay, just about to go out now, the 1 Alpha 94, which is the 1735 Great Western Railway service from Penzance to London Paddington. With 43143 on the front with a Stroud 700 nameplate. It's got declassified coach F. Fun fact for you, this next service this forms the 2245 London Paddington to Swansea service, which then it'll be sorted up in Landor tonight. Oh, 140 I think, not sure. Is it 158? Oh, lovely. Yeah, but don't forget Trainsim is in Norwich, right? Huh? Don't forget Trainsim is in Norwich, right? Because it is Trainsim. Watch 3015 on the rear. I got that shot of Codman Parkway actually.
Alright? Got what you wanted?
Yeah, that's alright, thank you. Okay, coming in now is the 1749 Great Western Railway service starting here to Connors Lake. Starting here via Plymouth. I thought it was 369 for a minute, eh? I went, yay.
Yay.
That's right, you're welcome. Shout out KTV videos, the KTV Express, or one part of the KTV Express is here.
152 for the part one.
Yeah, part one of the KTV Express. Anyway, see what's next. Okay, about to go out now is one part of the KTV Express, which the 1749 Great Western Railway says to Gunners Lake. Nice smile off the driver. It's not a nameplate, it's a sticker.
Nameplate.
It's not a nameplate.
Close enough to a nameplate.
Well, right, great, I'm just going to go with what Max said. Okay.
Yeah, I like that. Go with what I say.
Obviously, because everyone likes to go what you say, so you can just get some more attention.
Yeah, man.
I feel like an aeroplane now.
Yeah, you just get in the camera just to get some more attention as usual. Yep.
Okay.
Anyway, let's see what's next. Okay, passing through now. 43170. And 43012. That's passing through from London Paddington to Penzance. That service is running about 80 minutes late. This is due to a passenger being taken ill in the Hungerford area. So a passenger's got injured and the trains had to be stopped.
What? I don't care. What? Don't laugh at me. I'm not laughing. I'm just...
So anyway, let's see what's next. Okay, coming in now is the 1814 Great Western Railway service from Penzance to Exeter St David's, 15263. This is head-coded as 2 Echo 88. We might see this go out, we might not, it depends. See what's next anyway. Okay, just about to come around the corner now is 1 Charlie 84, which is branded as St James Express, just as a joke. Which is the 1755 Great Western Railway service from London Paddington to Penzance. This service is running about 35 minutes late. About, I said, didn't say it was, I said about. Fun fact for you, 43002 is on the rear of this. Fun fact for you, again, this ran Alpha 16 this morning, which is 0741 Penzance to London Paddington via Bristol Temple Meads. So we won't see this going out, unless Max is offering to do guest commentary. So let's see what's next.
Great Western Railway
Okay, so as she pulls in, I shall be ending. Well, she's pulled out now, obviously, because obviously we're on the platform it was on. So I shall be ending the Liskeard video here. So thank you for watching my Trains at Liskeard video. If you've liked what you've seen here at Liskeard, then please do like and subscribe. Any questions or comments, and I'll try to get back to them or reply to them as long as they're not stupid comments. Like saying great video, mate, I'll just say thank you. So yes, we're going to go down to Bodmin and try and catch Kieran Whitehead. If not, I'm not going to be crying or whatever, so I'm not that overly bothered.
But we're
So
going
my
to try
next,
and be 153.369.
yeah. So anyway, here joining me today was Southwest Trainspotting and Cornwall TrainsFan, which is still here with me, surprisingly, after I've coped with him all day. Surprised I haven't killed him yet.
Okay.
I'm joking.
Okay,
So my opinion on Liskeard is a pretty good station. I will come back to at some point, but probably not in the very near future. But I will come back to it. Anyway, my next station, like I said, will be St Germans, which will be in a couple of days' time, which Max Mountford is absolutely looking forward to.
Oh yeah.
And Salt Ash will be following with that, and a bit of weed.
Weed!
Nah, I'm joking, by the way.
Aww.
Anyway, I shall see you all in St Germans. Take care, guys, and goodbye.